Hey guys, it's your main man, Mr. We Got Options. I'm back with another one. Today I want to talk about the underglow rock lights that I have on the vehicle, and it's a real sweet location. Just wanted to kind of show off the truck and then the underglow, the different variations that's involved with it, and kind of go from there. All right, folks. So in this truck, I actually have two kits that the exact same manufacturer. One's an 8-piece kit, the other one is a 4-piece kit. So what we did was we put two rock lights in each wheel well. We've got two, one under each door on the driver's side, and then in the rear we have two rock lights as well. And then on the passenger's rear side, there's two rock lights. And then under each passenger door, there's one. And then the last two in this particular wheel well. And what I like about the kit, in addition to just having a remote for each kit, it's also Bluetooth enabled as well. And I'll go into the Bluetooth app a little bit more, show you some of the features. I've basically just switched the colors, and then I've also played around with the strobe lights, but it'll actually mirror the music and different things like that. Those features I haven't tried yet, but let me go ahead and show you some of the additional features it has as far as colors and strobes. Okay, everybody, I just want to touch base real quick on the MIC Tuning Light app for the Apple phone. This is the Apple version. You want to click on the LED rock tab up top, and then you see a normal color wheel there where you can select different colors. And then sorry for that connection fail there. I just had the Bluetooth connected to something else and needed to connect to the controllers. You can see me clicking around on the different colors there on the wheel, and those will make your lights adjust as set up. And then also you can go on the app is really valuable here in this section where you can choose multiple different colors to rotate through if you want to do a rotation. And then now we're back to the color wheel. Notice the three lines at the bottom. You can adjust the speed of the rotation of the colors, the brightness, and then also how quickly they flash or strobe for you. In here you can select a group. So you have, like I mentioned, I have two sets of lights, so I've created a group for them to simplify things so everything works together. So yeah, it's a pretty simple app, pretty straightforward, and it's easy to use. All right, so here are the remote controls. They're exactly the same. One's for the 8-piece kit, one's for the 4-piece kit. And a lot of times when I press a button on one, it actually controls both modules at the same time. So it's almost like having an extra remote just as a backup. So let's see, let's go into the motion. All right, so that shows you the strobe there. And you can speed it up if you desire. And that's super fast right there. And then of course you can change the color. So we want to match the wall on this one. And we got blue, orange, purple, kind of like a purplish pink. We got yellow. And then one thing too I wanted to note, this is a RGBW kit. So this is the white, and to me it looks pretty doggone white, and I like the color of it. That's one thing that made me select this particular kit as well. Yeah, because it's a nice look. You can always ride pretty much in any state, anywhere with the white lights on. I prefer the green. It really has a good pop. It's just something different because a lot of people have the white, so I just roll around with the green, kind of go from there. All right. And then it's also got an automatic mode, and since there's two different kits, you'll notice how the lights vary throughout. So that's one neat feature. So you can kind of have them alternating differently instead of all together. That was one reason why I wanted to get two different kits. And if I could do it over, I probably would have just went ahead and got two 8-piece kits, and that would have made 16 total rock lights for the vehicle. But I think overall it's a good bright kit, and out in complete darkness it really shines. Here I got this nice backdrop, which is really neat. So that's kind of competing with it as well. And you can adjust the brightness, have the brightness all the way up right now. And I would think that when you put yours on, you want yours as bright as possible. But yeah, if you would, get in the comments for me, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel. Send me some comments, let me know what you think about the kit. And I'll put a description below where I got them from Amazon. Thanks for your time. Okay, so here's a cool little sequence that rotates between blue and red. If you're on the side of the road during an emergency, it might be something that you want to use. It'll definitely be attention grabbing and kind of keep you safe if you had to change a tire or something like that on the side of the road. But other than that, of course, while the vehicle's moving on any road, interstate or highway, you do not want to be using these colors at all. When I'm driving, I use the typically white or green. I like the way the green really shows up well and white, and I haven't had any issues with any law enforcement with those two colors. Did you click that subscribe button yet?